You know, when I saw the news, in fact, when I saw the video, how it happened, no, talagang naisipin mo, meron bang ganyan mga tao talaga gagawa ng ganyang klaseng krimen. At again, bahagi yan ng...
Masakyan na eh.
Kumaga, yun yung mga occupational risk namin bilang mayors, bilang governors. Siyempre, bahagi yan ng kumaga yung mga banta sa aming buhay. Normal yan. Alam nyo, I was getting a lot of death threats when we started raiding itong mga sa drugs. So, ang dami kong death threat na nakuha talaga. In fact, I had coordinated with this with the Philippine National Police. Kasi syempre, every time meron kang mga criminal na binubulabog mo yung kanilang mga operations, di ba? That means, kung ano man yung income na kinikita nila, nawawala yan, di ba? Nasisira yung kanilang operations. So, bahagi yan ng yung buhay natin, lalong-lalo na po specifically sa akin. I try really my best to keep San Juan as peaceful, as orderly as possible. In doing so, meron kang masasagasaan talaga eh. At iisipin mo na lang, it is for the good of the majority. So, going after all of these criminals, hindi lamang yung sa drugs, no? Nag-raid kami ng mga prostitution din, nagsara kami ng may slaughterhouse na nagtatapon ng kanilang waste sa ilog. All of these things, even yung road clearing operations natin, during the time, rated 100% ang San Juan because when the mandate came out to clear the roads, we really cleared the roads. I remember, sabi pa nga ni President Duterte sa akin, nakita kami minsan sa Green Hills, sabi niya, "You're doing a good job." Sabi niya, "Alam mo, Mayor, ako, sa panahon na nag-mayor ako, minsan isipin mo baka magalit yung mga tao kasi nag-clear ka ng mga kalye, pero most people will appreciate it. Yung silent majority, natutuwa. Yung nagagalit, yung nagagalit, yung mga illegal. Going to Green Hills, Marichu,